Wanna try something new for your phone cover? Then you are in the right place. I have taken a transparent phone cover and applying white acrylic color as a base or primer. Take a bowl of water and pour some nail polish on it. Let the base color completely dry up. Then dip it into the water like this. After drying, apply transparent nail polish over it. It will help the color stay on it for a long time. And your marble phone cover is ready. Apply any pastel shade over the base color and let it dry. You can write down any text or make some doodle with marker pen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. For any queries, please comment below. You can just leave it like this or can make simple flowers with white acrylic color. Finish with a coat of transparent nail paint. And it's ready. Take a piece of hard paper which matches your phone size. Draw the first letter of your name on it. Then cut it out. Place it on the cover. You don't have to stick it. Now, sprinkle some acrylic colors over it. Here I am using yellow, then orange and red acrylic color. You can use any colors of your choice. Let it dry for some time and then pull up the paper. For correction, use base color. And it's ready. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.